Now at the next roundabout, I'll be following ahead, exit number 3. So on approach, I'm staying in the left lane, just applying this rule that if you're going straight ahead, I'm gonna need the left lane. Unless the road markings tell me otherwise. I see the 40 speed limit checking behind me before braking and reducing the speed to 40. Then again, I'm staying in the left lane all the way. Yeah, I see the straight arrow here, but then my lane splits into 2 lanes. Then I have straight arrow in lane 1 and in lane 2. But again, my default position will be left lane, so I'm going to stay here. I'm checking for the traffic behind me, checking for the traffic in the next lane, bearing in mind lane 1 and 2 can go straight. So some of the cars in lane 2 may be going for the same exit as me. The lights now change. I'm going to follow the left lane around the roundabout for exit 3. No signal necessary here because I'm going straight ahead. So I'm passing exit 1. Again, checking my left mirror, passing exit 2, and center left mirror signal, monitoring the traffic in the lane next to me, and coming off the roundabout, accelerating. Now at the next roundabout, I'm going to follow ahead again. This time I'm going to take lane 2. Previously I've taken lane 1, so I'm going to show you the difference. Slowing down for that 40 speed limit. Then I'm going to still stay in the left lane here initially until I see the split. The left lane splits into 2 lanes. So I'm going to check my right mirror and choose lane 2 when safe. Again, looking at the road markings, we see straight arrow here. So I can use this lane to follow ahead for exit number 3 on this roundabout. Again, before moving off, quick glance to the lanes next to us and behind as well. And maintaining safe distance to the car ahead. I'm going to follow in this very lane. So I'm passing exit 1, still checking my left mirror for the traffic on the left, passing exit 2 and then signaling left to leave the roundabout. At this point, if safe, I can switch lanes and it is safe. So I'm going left lane, accelerating still, monitoring the traffic in the right lane now because the lanes are merging.